Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I'm going to show you how to log in to your Facebook page. Write me if my solution helped you and if you managed to do it on your phone or tablet, and if you still have any questions. Please let me know below in the comments. I will be sure to read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes. Let's get started. Go to Facebook. Further, if you have not yet gone to your page, you will need to enter your phone number, email, or login. After that, write a password and enter. Once you enter, you click in the bottom right corner of the menu. Then you have a page at the top, and to switch from the main profile to the page, you click on that bar and you'll see a lot of different accounts. And you select any one of them and switch to that account. So you were able to log in, and also switch in your Facebook. Then, if you liked this video, be sure to post whether my solution helped you, whether you were able to do that. Thank you all for watching. Give me a like, write a comment. Goodbye.